Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, I am Fauza Syaputra from Photography Class 2A. In this video, I will explain the business profile of photography. The brand name is Visual Edic. Contents: brand name, logo philosophy, background, objective, vision and mission, personnel, product and service, price list, portfolio, working hour, contact us, and closing. Logo philosophy. Why do we have the logo like that? Because we are addicted and we like visuals. So the visual logo is addicted and we make each other connected because it shows a strong connection within us. Why is the writing black and the background white? Because black is strong and a pure white background means honest result from his work. And also we like the visual world so much it can be separated and addictive. Lately, many photography services are needed, ranging from photo pre-wedding services, documentation, product, and etc. Our Visual Edic are here to meet your needs with professional photographer and quality tools. Objective: the aim of our company is to provide high-quality photography services in accordance with production standards. Equipped with adequate equipment and professional photographers, customers will be satisfied with the final result. In addition, we prioritize clients in order to achieve satisfying results. Vision and mission. Vision. In 2021, the Visual Edic company spread its wings in the field of photography in the creative industries. Mission: 1. Make clients satisfied and treat with the special care. 2. Produce photo product that meet industry standards. Personnel: Akbar Surya Ramanda as head office, Fauza Syaputra as photographer, and Muhammad Izzatul Akbar as photographer. Product and services. Product: photo print, photo canvas, photo frame, photo album. Services: documentation, food photography, fashion photography, and wedding photography. Price list. Documentation. Package 1. 2 photographers, editing photo, DVD, photo file. 1 album contains 30 photo, USB flash disk, all files. Price: IDR 3 million rupiah. Package 2. 2 photographers, DVD, photo files, USB flash disks, all files. 1 album contains 15 photos, 1 collage album, 20 files. Price: IDR 4.500.000 rupiah. Price list. Food photography. Package 1. 1 photographer, 1 album of 15 photos, property, studio, USB flash disk, all files. Price: IDR 2 million rupiah. Package 2. 2 photographer, 1 album contains 50 photos, property, studio shoot, USB flash disk, all files, DVD. Price: IDR 2.500.000 rupiah. Fashion photography. Package 1. 2 photographer, 2 models, property, studio shoots, 1 album of 15 photos, USB flash disk, all files, and DVD. Price IDR 4 million rupiah. Package 2, 3 photographers, 1 album, contains 25 photos, 3 models, property, studio shoot, USB flash disk, all files, 1 college album 20 pages, and DVD. Price IDR 4,500,000 rupiah. Wedding photography. Package 1, 1 photographer, makeup, 1 album contains 12 photos, USB flash disk, all files, and DVD photo file. Price IDR 5 million rupiah. Package 2, 2 photographers, makeup, 1 album contains 25 photos, USB flash disk, all files, 1 college album 20 pages, and DVD photo file. Price IDR 6,500,000 rupiah. And this is our portfolio. Working hour. Working days Tuesday until Sunday. 4-day editing process, 2 revisi editing, and the last finish project. Contact us. For reference station, please contact below. Closing. Thank you. Visual Edit, make it perfect.